Gizmos.
Hey guys, okay, so today it's just us two, and we are going to take you along with a little journey. Is it a journey?
Sometimes it's a journey.
Sometimes a journey. We are going to order custom insoles for our tennis shoes. That's right, we're those cool parents.
Oh, that's what we said. Custom sole inserts. Because
right.
we like a cushy ride.
We do, okay. And so we are working with Dr. Scholls today, and we are trying out their 3D custom insoles where you order them from home. We don't have to go into the store, which is right up our alley. So we download an app. It measures our feet. We're measuring ourselves for this one, and then we have a pair of custom 3D insoles. I really wanted to try them, and I'm so happy that I did, because I have to say, I like them. I like them a lot. I am a busy mom. I even wore these. Okay, so I put them to the test. We ordered them, and we're going to take you through the order process in just a minute, but I put them through the test. I took them to the grocery store. I took them to the tennis. I took them to the bank. I took them to the soccer field to pick up school. I took them everywhere. I even took them running. I wanted to make sure they were good across the board. Okay, so Here is what we did. Now, we're gonna take you back, and we ordered them. It was super easy. It took only 2 weeks to get them. So let's go ahead and show you the whole order process, because it was so easy, because you have an app, and
you snap pictures with your phone.
And then they show up at your door. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you how easy the ordering process was.
Boom. And so we have to download this app. It's Dr. Scholl's 3D Inserts app. And it's really pretty quick and easy. So you download the app
and then it scans our feet. We scan our feet here. Then they're gonna analyze over 400 data points on the scan in order to create us these custom inserts. I have just downloaded it, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is. So, are you ready?
and then it says, find your soulmate. And I thought it was you, but it's not. It's
Dr. Scholl's.
It's Dr. Scholl's.
Custom inserts.
It's the custom inserts. Okay, so then you can do full-length 3D custom inserts or custom 3D inserts. So you can do full-length custom 3D inserts, 3/4 length custom 3D inserts.
So it's going to depend on what kind of shoes you're going to put them in. If you're going to put them in like tennis shoes, or and there's a deep stabilizing heel cup. There's a custom arch support. And you get to pick from different
high-performance
designs.
foam, which is good because moisture wicking. So I'm gonna go full length.
Now you get to pick your print.
Ooh, and you get a 30-day money-back guarantee if things for these inserts.
I think you put your name on them too, in case you didn't forget which shoes are yours.
In case our feet happen to be the same size, then I can be like, "Are you sure you got the right inserts?" No, those are mine. They have my name right on them. I get to pick a pattern. I'm all about. Those are cool.
Those are pretty cool.
I'm not gonna do those. Oh!
We found yours.
I found my pattern. No, I am all about. Those are cool.
Way too close.
Now it's her turn.
Okay, so I'm finishing ordering my custom inserts. We went through his already. He picked all of his options. I'm also going to get the full-length custom 3D inserts because I wear tennis shoes a lot, and that's what I want to put the inserts in. It was that easy. It's really, really easy once you download the app and everything.
Well, and the phone walks you through it.
Super easy. So you can do it any time of day or night from your app. Then they're going to ship it right to your door within 2 weeks. So we should have these within 2 weeks.
Correct.
I'm really excited about this. Everything is done. That's the ordering process.
2 weeks later.
These new insoles, which I have to say I really like, and I have to say they fit perfectly in my shoes.
But I think the other thing that's really kind of different is when you actually pull out your existing soles out of your shoes and you see how skinny and there's nothing there, and then you compare them and you look and these have a ton more thickness to them and padding to them, and there's moisture wicking,
And there's a custom arch support, so my arch support's gonna be different than his arch support. There's a cushioning heel cup. I like a cushioning heel cup. I can actually feel it as I'm walking around during the day. I feel it kind of cushioning.
You feel it kind of cushioning.
I do.
Because it has cushion in the name, so it would make sense that it does some cushioning.
We put him through the works.
I climbed a mountain. I did Mount Everest.
We don't have video footage of that.
Oh no, there's no video.
But he did it.
But I did. If you look on these inserts, you can see all
route.
of the mountain ranges that I have accomplished with just these cushions in my shoes.
That's why they gave you a map.
That's true.
So in case you got lost.
I actually didn't even need the shoes. I took these and I strapped them right to my feet with tape, and I was ready to roll.
No, he didn't.
Okay, I didn't do that.
No, he didn't. That's it, guys. We just kind of wanted to give you our experience. Thanks to Dr. Scholls for sponsoring this video. And this, I even like the box that it comes in. They're like custom contour 3D printed inserts. But again, you don't have to look for these in stores because you're going to order them online. All you have to do is download their app. You measure your feet, you order them. So easy, and we love easy. And that's it. Do you have anything else to tell them?
I wish when I ran, it would just say my name. Lee Schultz, Lee Schultz, Lee Schultz, Lee Schultz, Lee Schultz, Lee Schultz. So if you can add some sound in there, that'd be, like maybe a little coaching.
So that's it, guys. If you have tried these, if you've tried insoles, if you've tried Dr. Scholls, leave us a comment down below. Let us know. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we'll talk to you next time.
Yeah, we'll be there.
Yeah.
We'll be watching.
Bye, guys.
I'm waiting. All right, see ya. Okay. So you're saying, Lee, does this get any better? And it absolutely does. So we have a promo code for you. It's BabyGizmo1. The promo code is good until August 31st, and it will get you $10 off your next order on Dr. Scholls. So we'll put it in the description below, and give it a try for yourself. Tell us what you think.